Hey you guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Keila Jukic if you are new, and if you're not, it is so great to see you again. As you can tell by the title of today's video, we're doing a denim try-on haul. Specifically, this video is jeans from the brand Just Black Denim. This video is sponsored by them, but as always, you guys know with all of my hauls, all opinions are my own at the end of the day. This is actually the first time I am trying Just Black Denim, so I'm quite excited. I haven't even opened the package yet. It just came last night, literally in the middle of a snowstorm. From reading reviews on their website and just like looking at the pieces themselves, everything looks fabulous, which for me personally is hard to find, and when I do find it, it's hard for me to like it. So I'm excited about this. If you've never heard of Just Black Denim before, they are a very interesting brand. The brand itself was actually founded over 30 years ago by Korean immigrants, and still to this day, the business is run by their family, which is so stinking cool. I love seeing family-owned businesses thrive, and I have a feeling the denim is going to live up to the expectation. Their brand believes in high quality, comfort, community, inclusivity, and everything is handcrafted in the US, specifically within Los Angeles. Now let's get into unboxing and trying these on. I got three very opposite different pairs so that we can just test it all out. Starting with the first pair, this is the relaxed wide leg jean, and I got it in the color vintage red. It also does come in a very dark blue, almost black color, but I don't own a pair of red denim, so I'm very excited for this. Now the material on this specific jean is 96% cotton, 3% elastorel P, and 1% spandex. Now it only has 1% spandex, but I'm gonna say first off the bat, the waistband does have like the tiniest little bit of stretch. Hello, first impressions, holy frig, where have these been all my life? First of all, the color, I cannot believe I am saying this. This might be my new favorite pair of jeans. I am such a basic girl when it comes to denim. Blue is the go-to. Just like looking in the mirror, this outfit is fire, like fire. So I am wearing these in a size 28, and honestly they fit pretty perfect. Usually an issue that I have is that I have like a huge gap because my waist is a lot smaller than my hips glute area, but something is working here. Like these are not curvy jeans or anything, but the waist and the hip ratio is fitting literally chef's kiss. As you can see, they kind of sit right across my belly button, so it's not super high-waisted, but it's not super low-waisted either. It's kind of just in between. There's two pockets on the front side, and we have the little hoops so you can add a belt if you need. On the back, there is also two pockets. And for me, one thing with jeans is I'm tall, I'm 5'8", and I have pretty long legs, and surprisingly, these fit me perfect. Like, they don't touch the floor, but they go below my ankles and sit literally just right on my foot. As I'm getting older, I'm really loving relaxed wide leg jeans because they feel so comfortable. Like I'm a gym girly, and like I could like squat in these. Like they're so comfortable, but I feel like at the same time they still look like very like sophisticated and just like elevated. Just for some further measurements so that you know, the rise on these jeans is 11 inch and the inseam is 31 inch. So that was definitely something that I looked at. The inseam, I always try and go for something a little bit longer just because, like I said, I do have long legs. I feel like with these Vans and a red purse, I kind of dress it down but still look good. Like I would wear this to go out to drinks with the hubby, go for dinner with the hubby or friends. Right now it's obviously winter, but when spring and summer comes, you can even wear cute sandals with these and it would look so good. Moving into the second pair I got, this is the seamed barrel jean. I can't believe I have never jumped on the barrel jean trend as of yet. It's been obviously circling around for I would say almost 2 years now, but more so within the last year. And when I saw these, I knew I had to get my hands on them. It does come in 3 colors. I went with the medium colored denim, but it also does come in a light denim, which is just like a lighter blue. And the third color is clay, so it's almost like a tan beige color. And the material is actually the exact same as the red pair. So it's 96% cotton, 3% elastorel P, and 1% spandex. I'm not gonna lie, I was not sure how I was gonna feel about these barrel jeans because like I mentioned, I've never tried them before, but I'm actually actually pleasantly surprised. So again, I did go with the size 28, but this one is definitely a little bit larger on my waist. I'm not sure why, so I definitely could have sized down to a 27, but that's okay. It does fit. I just have to have them sitting a little bit lower. So again, as you can see, it's at like my belly button line. Maybe they'll shrink a little bit in the washing machine. I have no idea, but this is what it looks like close up. Two nice big pockets here. We got two pockets on the back. Again, there's the little hoops to add a belt. There's a button and a zipper. These are definitely very different than something I'm used to wearing, and that's not necessarily a bad thing. Barrel jeans are really good when you want to be like super chill, comfortable. They make for like a really easygoing look. On a shorter girl, these barrel jeans would probably go to the floor or be a little bit longer, but for me, they do sit right at my ankles, which is not a problem. I will say though, the comfort on them is extraordinary, and I love the color wash on them. The color is like dark blue, but it has a little bit of like the whiteout, lighter blue wash type of thing. I don't know. The color is like, it's my vibe for color. And the rise on these denims are 12 inch and the inseam is 27 inches. I feel like barrel jeans would look good with any sneaker, but specifically like a high top. So that's kind of what it looks like with the high tops. And because it's more of a casual look, pairing it with like a fanny pack or like some sort of sling bag, just, I feel like ties the whole vibe together. I think I just got sold on barrel jeans. Last but definitely not least, we have the utility pocket straight jean, and it comes in the color Optic White. And I cannot believe I'm saying this, you may not believe me, but I do not own a pair of white jeans. The material on these ones are 100% cotton, but they do have some stretch to it. Maybe not so much in the leg part, but definitely in the waistband, you could see the stretch. I hate to toot my own horn, but I definitely should have sized down in these ones. So these are what they look like on, but the waist is really big, and that is my own fault in sizing error. I should have looked at the site a little bit better. They have a size chart. You need to use it. Make sure you use it so you don't pull a Kayla. Overall though, I like these, and these ones are actually capri, which I don't tend to normally go towards, but I do think I like them because they are more of a straight leg. I feel like I can rock it as a tall gal. Close up on the front, again, button, zipper, we got the hoops, we got the two big pockets, and we have the two pockets on the back. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I was nervous if they were gonna be see-through. I'm wearing a white thong underneath, and you cannot see it, which is great, because I know a lot of white jeans can be see-through, but like, I'm not seeing anything. It might just be a personal preference, but I think white jeans, and specifically white capri jeans, is more so of like a summer type of denim. So I think I'm gonna get more use out of these in the summertime versus now in the winter. Also, one thing that differentiates these jeans from the first two is because it is like a utility pocket jean. These front pockets are a little bit deeper. I'm not sure if you guys noticed that on the close-up portion. Again, these could definitely be dressed up with heels and like a nice going out top, or you can just wear it more casually with like sneakers and a tank top or a sweater. The rise on this denim is 9.5 inches and the inseam is 28 inches. For this being the first time me trying Just Black Denim, I am thoroughly impressed. And one thing I'm realizing as I'm getting older is that it's very important to invest in good quality jeans. Growing up, I was always buying cheap jeans for like 15, 20, 25 bucks, and they would never last. And I know like these pairs are gonna last me literally till I'm a grandma. Also, going back and looking at their website, they have so many categories that you can choose from when looking for jeans. I'm talking low rise, flare, shorts, skinny jeans, slim straight, straight, wide leg, capri, and even for the tall gals. So there really is something for everyone. And again, I do love that they're family owned and run. I think that is just so stinking precious. I'm gonna put their website link in my description box below, as well as the details of all of the denim I did show you. So if you do want to shop anything, they were kind enough to give me a discount code for you. So it's KaylaD15, that is KaylaD15, and that will save you some money off of your order. The vintage red first pair that I showed you is my favorite out of the three. I even already sent my husband a photo of me wearing them, and he was like, wow, they look so good. And I was like, I know. Let me know in the comments below which one of the three was your favorite, and as well, let me know if you guys have any questions. Thank you guys for watching this this haul, and thank you to Just Black Denim for sponsoring today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!